Australia dethrones El Salvador to become the fourth largest crypto ATM powerhouse. El Salvador has lost its position as the fourth largest crypto ATM hub to Australia. According to a report by Grand View Research, a US-based market research firm, in 2021, the global crypto ATM market size was valued at $75.0 million and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 61.7% from 2022 to 2030. El Salvador installed multiple crypto ATMs across the country and built schools to teach about crypto after making Bitcoin a legal tender within its shores. However, this could not make the Central American country a global crypto powerhouse. The United States tops the charts with the highest number of crypto ATMs, followed by Canada.